Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Wolf and her sister Fox, chapter 51. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Minjun and UNC. Finally, the two of them are alone in the room. There's no one who's gonna bother them. Sister refuses to take off the mask even now. Minjun is asking UNC, well, what's wrong with her? Why suddenly she don't want to remove her mask? Even though the two of them are only on the private room, but UNC suddenly take off her mask. So it turns out she has a scar on her face. Well, maybe she got really sad by this. She don't want to get seen by Minjun. Minjun, after seeing her sister, did I scared you? Is it ugly? UNC is asking Minjun. No, Minjun. Suddenly, she got fussed and she was staring at hers. She moved closer to her, touching her face. No, no, how could it be sister who hurt you? Right now, it was Minjun. She got really concerned about this. Well, she know to herself that it was really painful. I have already found a doctor to deal with it. They only said that it's likely to leave scars. There are no other major problems. UNC, she was telling Minjun, but right now, Minjun, she was rushing through, and she is approaching her. Did Chan Xiaoyan do it? Is it her? No, she was pertaining to her aunt. She know to herself that aunt is really capable of doing this, especially for UNC. Aunt have a tendency to do this to her. Now, it must be Minjun who's searching her. Is there any other places? Minjun is asking UNC. No, wait, UNC said to her. Now, it is clearly seen that there's a lot of things. Look at her. There's a lot of bandage on the whole body, and it really makes sense to UNC. Minjun, at this moment, she becomes speechless. She don't know how to deal with it. How dare she? How dare she? Minjun, right now, it seems that she's going to cry. For her, it is really pitiful. The condition of UNC, it was not really good. Going to find her to settle the accounts, but UNC suddenly stopping her. Well, of course, she don't want to trouble Minjun and also to get hurt by her own aunt. Now she's trying to calm her down. It's okay. It's okay, Xiaojun. It's all minor injuries and it will be healed soon. Well, at this moment, trying to assure her everything will be fine. You don't need to go for her aunt. And Xiaohan, your aunt, she was too worried about you, so she threw her anger on me. Well, UNC is trying to explain everything to Minjun. Of course, Minjun, she is really hurt by this. Seeing UNC suffered a lot, it really caused her pain. But Minjun said to her, it's not like that. So until now, she really don't want to forgive her aunt, but she really hurt her so much. But look at them. You should know that how worried I am about you. Minjun said to UNC, Xiaojun, so I want to wait until the injury is healed and I will come back to you. So this is like a promise to her. She will come back to her when she was already healed. Why is my sister thinking this way? Minjun is asking UNC. Probably she don't realize that don't need to push too hard because her aunt had a tendency to get really mad on the two of them and UNC knows this. That's why she really want to calm her down. Don't hate my sister. I like my sister so much. How can I hate my sister? No, there's a lot of things are bothering to her. Let's see on what's gonna happen next. You can check Discord for another photos, also for further announcement. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!